Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be an overview of the Shopify What's New email that I received not too long ago. I enjoy doing these videos to let you all know what's new with Shopify, and then also just to give you some ideas if you are considering possibly joining Shopify or switching from your current e-commerce site. You have some kind of comparisons and some knowledge about the Shopify platform to help encourage your decision. So if you are interested in this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So like I mentioned, I did get this email. It was sent out on May 20th of this year. And it goes over some of the things that are new with Shopify. So the first thing that is outlined in this email is the fact that they have improved the Shopify App Store. So you can search for apps faster with improved search suggestions and learn more about app listings from videos, screenshots, and current reviews. So if you've been watching my previous Shopify videos, then you know that I am not new to the Shopify platform nor the Shopify App Store. The App Store is one of the reasons that got me to switch from the e-commerce site that I was using before I switched over to Shopify. I've been using Shopify for more than a few years at this point. And I really enjoy the App Store because it gives you the ability to customize your website to how you want it to be. I'm not really going to go over the App Store in depth in this video, but I do have other videos on this channel if you are interested in watching that and also learning more about the App Store. Just know that the App Store is a lot faster, and the search portion of the App Store is a lot more tailored. The next thing that they're listing is they have listed turn direct messages into direct sales. So manage your Instagram DMs with Shopify Inbox. They also note new to Shopify theme store. So they have different themes that they have added. And it mentions check out our 2 latest themes, Ride and Color Block. Great for new merchants looking to make a splash with bold color and visuals. And then they also have listed new and noteworthy themes. So new to Shopify theme store. They go over, some of the newer themes as well. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is kind of diving into the new themes. I'm also going to be showing you how you can add different sales channels through your Shopify store. And also, if you click the arrow that's under the add integrations for the DMs to be streamlined, where that kind of takes you and what that looks like and things like that. So let's go ahead and click it. So this is what it takes me to: add integrations to inbox. So chat with your customers, shop, and manage all of your messages in one place, which I think is a very, very great idea. Just to have everything streamlined. I talk very frequently on this channel about the importance of making sure that you are in your DMs, checking your emails, checking your text messages for your business phone, because a lot of times there is a lot of opportunity and low-hanging fruit, as I would put it, that are left in the even sometimes comment sections of your videos or DMs or comments under your posts. And a lot of times they're overlooked. So there are a lot of opportunities, like I mentioned, with making sure that you're checking your DMs. And sometimes if you do have a lot of different apps or platforms that you're working from, it could definitely be a tedious task to go to your, text messages, and then to go to Shopify chat, and then to go to your DMs on Instagram, and then the DM on Facebook, and then check your comments under your videos if you're on YouTube, and then go to different, various platforms and still have to check that. So this is something that makes working a lot more effortless and seamless, in my opinion. So if you go to your Shopify store and you click on, inbox, then it brings you right here as well. So I do have Shopify Inbox already connected to my store. If you don't have it connected to your store, you'll just want to click on apps and connect it. And any other integrations that you want to add, you'll just go to apps and you can add those as well. It does give you an option to customize how you want the chat option to look. So the design layout And you also can choose different instant messages that you want to automatically send out to whoever is reaching out to you. There's just a lot of customizations that you can choose from through Shopify. I also am going to my sales channels to show you some of the sales channels that I have now. And you can definitely add more by going up to the top and clicking on the green button that says Add Sales Channel. So one of the things that I do like about Shopify is the fact that a lot of their integrations are kind of just laid out for you. So you really don't have to do too much to figure out how to take advantage of all of the perks that Shopify has. So here are some of the new theme releases. And under the theme, it shows you the theme, or under the picture of the theme, it shows you the theme name, the pricing, and also if there are any other options. If you do click try theme, you can go ahead and try it. If you click preview theme, this is going to give you the ability to look at the theme on your website with your current products and things like that. So here are the 3 different options that it comes with. And you can kind of play around with the different options to see which one is going to work best for your vision. Also, notice, I don't know if you noticed that it says unlimited free trial until your website is published. So I think that's a really good perk too. If you are wanting to check out any of these themes, it says unlimited free trial, pay if you publish. So if you are wanting to check out any of these themes or even check out Shopify for your own use or for your business, be sure to click the link down below this video so that you can take advantage of the free trial. Also, the further you scroll down, the more in depth it gets with the different theme. It also shows a picture and explains how the mobile look will be. It's really important to take a look at the mobile website as well that comes with the themes, because the majority of your customers are probably going to be accessing your website from their cell phone or from their tablet or mobile device. So you want to make sure that you're not overlooking that. Statistically speaking, more people are shopping from their mobile devices than they are their desktop. So look for both. Definitely, the desktop theme is typically the one that's featured the most across all different e-commerce sites, but you don't want to miss out on looking at the actual mobile site either. Here's another theme. This theme is called Shapes. It also explains that there's 3 different styles or options. And if you click on this, it's going to pretty much give you the same outlook or overview as the other theme store provided, or the other theme, provided. This one is a free color block. This one is one of the newer themes. It comes with 1 style. And you can start with that theme or you can preview the theme. So with Shopify, they offer tons of themes. They always have. At different price points. So depending on where you want to start off with your business, and depending on the look that you're trying to go for, I'm sure Shopify will have something that is doable for you and your business. Also, you do have the ability to hire like a Shopify expert if you would like, that can create a custom theme for you. If you don't see the kind of design that you have envisioned, you don't have to just be limited to the themes that Shopify has. You can choose a theme and then you can also have it kind of like edited and reworked so that it's a custom theme for your exact vision. It also gives you more information on what this theme or who this theme is ideal for, what type of store. It goes over the different features. And like I mentioned before, Shopify does a really great job with kind of outlining everything you're going to get and how to do certain things. So if you do want to learn more about like sections and blocks, for example, all you have to do is click that arrow. And then you literally have access to the Shopify Help Center, which goes over so much information. Literally gives you kind of step-by-step tutorials on how to do certain things with your Shopify store. Shopify, hands down, is probably one of the best descriptive e-commerce sites that I've had the pleasure of working with, because they really do lay out step-by-step detailed instructions and pictures on how to do certain things, like how to add a section, how to edit a section, how to customize your theme templates with sections and blocks, working with blocks. There's just so much information here. And they also have a chat option. I was on their chat option, or their chat site last night actually, and they have an option where you can request a callback now. I remember when they initially took their customer service number off the site, and they were wanting people to reach out via email or chat, and some people really didn't like that. So if you're a person where you want to talk to someone directly, that is now an option. If you go to contact them and you click on chat, it gives you a couple different options where you can get in contact with a representative. And one of the options that I saw is requesting a callback. So just know that that is available. Right now, I'm just continuing to scroll so that you can see some of the other themes that they have. They really do have a lot of different themes. They really do have a lot of different styles. So again, if you are looking for a certain theme, I am pretty sure that Shopify can accommodate you. And also, if you don't see the theme that you're looking for, again, you can always get a custom theme created for you as well. So that's pretty much an overview of what's new with Shopify. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave them down below. I do want to thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.